Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir. My name is Helen A. Ramos. I am 41 years old and I have a three child. My eldest daughter is 19 years old. My second son is 13 years old and my youngest son is 8 years old. And I am a kind person, hardworking, trustworthy. Especially, I am down to earth person. And I have an experience abroad for 2 years in Singapore City as a household worker. And recently, I have an experience here in Philippines for 4 years. One employer, and my main duty is marketing, cooking, cleaning, ironing, and the main task is to taking care of 1-year-old toddler. And I know how to cook Filipino food, and I'm willing to learn how to Chinese. I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. Mm. And I hope to choose me, ma'am and sir, and I will promise na I finish the contract, and as long as they need me, I will stay. Thank you and God bless.